Welcome to our channel. If you want to create an engaging Twitter thread that has viral potential, follow these step-by-step instructions to structure and share your content effectively. Step 1. Plan your thread content before you start tweeting. Outline the main points you want to cover and arrange them in a logical sequence that tells a compelling story. Step 2. Write a strong opening tweet that hooks readers immediately. Use a bold statement, interesting question, or surprising fact that makes people want to keep reading the thread. Step 3. Compose your first tweet and click the tweet button. Your initial tweet should be self-contained but hint at valuable information to come in subsequent tweets. Step 4. Click reply to your own first tweet to add the second tweet in your thread. This creates a connected chain of tweets that readers can follow easily. Step 5. Keep each tweet in the thread concise and focused on one main idea. Aim for clarity and readability rather than cramming too much information into a single tweet. Step 6. Use numbers or visual indicators in each tweet like 1/2/3/ to show the thread progression and help readers track their position in the content. Step 7. Include relevant images, GIFs, or charts to break up text and make your thread more visually appealing. Visual content significantly increases engagement and sharing. Step 8. End your thread with a clear call to action such as asking readers to retweet, follow you, or visit a link. Engage with replies to boost visibility and encourage discussion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.